For the past 18 years, Coco has been something of a Patras mascot, his colourful Amazonian plumage advertising a pet shop in a busy, narrow city centre street. But the parrot has fallen foul of new strict parking regulations, and the city police have ordered his owner to remove the perch or face a heavy fine.
I've
ignored the police and left him outside. If Coco goes back inside the shop permanently, he will be a dead parrot, because he's a sociable creature and enjoys being with people. But the authorities continue to harass and intimidate me.
The local council is extremely embarrassed that the plight of Coco the parrot has attracted international attention. But town hall officials believe that he's standing in the way of progress, and they're determined to make sure that he goes.
Αυτό είναι το σχέδιο της Patras.
The deputy mayor was more keen to discuss grand plans for parking revenue, funding cycle lanes and pedestrian zones, and bridled at suggestions that the bureaucrats are being killjoys.
Είναι γραφειοκρατικό και τυπικό του νόμου η ασφάλεια του παπαγάλου.
Is it bureaucratic to be concerned about the health and safety of the parrot? The parrot's security is of paramount interest to the council. For us, that is the issue.
Για μας αυτό είναι το κίνητρο.
Τι θα κάνεις με το λογαριασμό από το Demartinos? What are you going to do with the bill from the council? What are you going to do with the bill from the council? Coco's owner is determined to fight the council all the way to court, and so the parrot's fate looks like resting with the local beak. Malcolm Brabant, BBC News, Patras.
Bravo, amore.